Imagine waking up tomorrow and everything you know about the world is gone. The sky darkens, a silence falls over cities, and then they arrive, not as diplomats, not as explorers, but as conquerors. Alien forces, unlike anything humanity has ever seen. This is not science fiction. This is a question that forces us to confront the fragile reality of our existence. What would happen if aliens invaded tomorrow? Overnight, massive extraterrestrial ships appear in Earth's orbit. Some are the size of mountains, their surfaces glinting like metal mirrors. Others are smaller, sleek, maneuvering with precision that defies human technology. Within hours, governments confirm it. These are not natural phenomena. They are intelligent, and they are here. Military satellites scramble. Early warning systems trigger. Our first messages to them are met with silence. No response, only observation, and then action. To grasp the scale of the threat, we must understand the capabilities of these invaders. Imagine a civilization millions of years more advanced than our own. Their ships are not powered by rockets or nuclear engines. They move with energy we cannot yet comprehend, manipulating gravity, bending light, vanishing from detection. Their weapons could be plasma-based, to matter projectiles, or forces that manipulate matter itself. They would know our defenses before we even knew they existed. Compare this to humanity's most advanced technology. Nuclear weapons, fighter jets, and satellites are primitive. Even our best attempts at planetary defense would be laughably ineffective. In hours, the balance of power on Earth would tilt irreversibly. The first sign of invasion would likely be global panic. Cities under alien orbit would broadcast images across the internet, television, and social media. People would freeze in disbelief. Governments would urge calm, but chaos is inevitable. Air traffic halts. Emergency systems fail. Fear becomes the first weapon used against humanity. Next, the aliens would target infrastructure. Power grids fail. Communication networks collapse. Satellites fall silent. Without electricity, the world plunges into darkness. Hospitals, airports, and water treatment plants all become vulnerable. Human society depends on technology. Without it, we are suddenly primitive. Then comes the assault. Major cities and military installations are neutralized with precision strikes. Conventional weapons barely scratch their defenses. Their technology could disassemble buildings atom by atom or manipulate the environment in ways we cannot defend against. Resistance would form. Pockets of military and civilian groups would fight, but without advanced weapons or coordination, survival would be sporadic. Underground bunkers, remote islands, and deserts become temporary refuges. Humanity would learn quickly that traditional warfare no longer applies. If the invasion continues beyond days, the consequences are profound. Food chains disrupted, economies destroyed, governments dissolved. Humans may be forced into hiding. Cultural memory of civilization could fade in months. Entire species could be threatened, not just humans. Earth itself might be transformed for purposes we cannot imagine. In human history, even the most devastating events, the Black Death, world wars, or the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs, occurred within Earth's natural limits. An alien invasion introduces forces beyond anything recorded. Humanity would face an adversary that treats centuries of human advancement as infancy. The thought of extraterrestrial conquest forces a reflection on our place in the cosmos. How fragile is our civilization? How reliant are we on technology, infrastructure, and global cooperation? And how little control do we truly have when confronted by forces far beyond our comprehension? And yet, what if their arrival is not meant to destroy, but to observe, to test us, or to offer a future we cannot yet grasp? Tomorrow, the universe could change forever. But until that day comes, we are left to wonder, what would we do if the stars themselves turned against us? Could humanity survive, or would we vanish from history before even understanding the threat? And if survival is possible, how would we fight back?